Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw elf on the shelf, and don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. So from the center on the left hand side, let's draw in a nice big circle. Let's leave a gap coming over on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Over on the left hand side now for the pupil, we're just going to draw in another circle, connecting that on the side. Again, on the top left hand side, we're just going to draw in a circle for the highlight. Now let's color in the pupil black. In the center now, let's draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then underneath for the mouth, we're just going to draw in an arch line from left to right. Let's draw in our eyebrows now. So we're going to draw in a curved line up above on the left and right hand side. Let's move across and draw in the ears. So coming across from the eye, we're going to curve this line over and out on the left and right hand side. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and then in towards the middle. Let's add that detailed line in the ear now. So we're just going to curve this up and across. And then we're going to close off the chin. So on the left hand side, we're going to bring this line down and through towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing this down, over, and then back through, connecting that together. Let's close off the Santa hat now. So we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right, bringing that all the way over. For the hair on the left-hand side, we're going to scoop this down, rounding that out, bringing that up on the right. From the corner here, we're just going to curve this over and across towards the ear. Let's move over above the ear on the left and right-hand side. We're going to curve this line up, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're going to close that off with another curved line, connecting that together. On the right, let's curve this line in towards the top. Now from here on the bottom, we're just going to curve a small line that comes across. Let's draw in a circle from that line. So starting from that line, we're going to scoop this all the way around and down, connecting that together. Let's move up, leaving a gap, and we're going to curve this all the way around and then back down on the left. Let's come down for the collar on both sides. We're going to curve this line around and in. Again, from that corner, curving this around and then back up in the center. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. Stepping over on the side, rounding that out, ending that at the same height. And now from here for the hand, we're just going to curve this all the way around and back in, creating an oval. Let's step up. We're going to curve this around and in for the hand, underneath. Moving up, we're going to curve this line through towards the top. Stepping over on the right, replicating that, rounding that out, bringing that up towards the side. Let's draw on the right leg because it's going to be on top. So we're going to bend the knee here, curving this around, bringing that down on a diagonal. And then now from here, let's round out the bottom, curving this over and through towards our hand. On the left-hand side, we're going to round this out again, curving this over and down on a diagonal. And then again underneath, curving this around and back up. Let's draw the shelf that the elf is sitting on. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming out on both sides. We're going to round out the ledge here. So we're going to curve this around and in on both sides. And then let's continue to flatten this out. So on the bottom, we're going to bring this line over and in towards the legs. Let's draw in a straight line that comes down on the left and right hand side. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming in, ending that at the same height. And then let's flatten that out on the bottom. That is it. That's how you draw Elf on the Shelf. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.